Hello there, my name is Miss Alima. Let us learn about length. Let's begin. We can measure how long things are, or how tall, or how far apart they are. Those are all examples of length measurement. For example, this fork is 20 centimeters long. There's some special words that help know what type of measurement someone is carrying out. Those special words are 1. Millimeters, 2. Centimeters, 3. Meters, 4. Kilometers. Many small objects are measured in millimeters. Look at this plastic ID card. If you want to know how thick it is, you have to measure it in millimeters. If you place 10 sheets of paper on top of each other, how thick you think they will be altogether? It will be a very small measurement. What about other things that are slightly bigger than a plastic ID card? What about the length of a fingernail? A fingernail is about 1 centimeter wide. When we have 10 millimeters, it can be called a centimeter. Look at these two tape measures. One is in millimeters, the other is in centimeters. We can use millimeters or centimeters to measure how tall we are or how wide a table is. But to measure the length of a football field, it is better to use meters. To have a meter, you have to measure 100 centimeters. That's a lot of centimeters. Look at this guitar. The length of it is about 1 meter. You can also measure the length of a house in meters or the size of the playground in your school. When we need to get from one place to another, we measure the distance using kilometers. For example, the distance to get from Kaduna to Lagos or how far a plane travels from Abuja to Kano can be measured using kilometers. Great work! Now do you think you know enough about length? I have learned something new today. I hope you enjoyed learning about length. I did. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.